Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we're diving into an urgent and essential topic, the greenhouse effect. Prepare to unravel the science behind Earth's changing climate and the role we play in this intricate dance. Imagine Earth as a delicate balance of energy. The sun's warmth reaches us, and we radiate some of that energy back into space. But here's where the story takes a turn. Certain gases, known as greenhouse gases, trap some of that outgoing energy. It's a natural process that keeps our planet cozy and habitable. However, human activities are tipping this delicate balance. Burning fossil fuels and deforestation release excessive amounts of greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere. This excess is like adding extra blankets to Earth's bed, leading to a warming trend known as global warming. The consequences are far-reaching: melting ice caps, rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and shifts in ecosystems. It's a wake-up call to the urgent need for sustainable practices. But it's not all doom and gloom. We have the power to mitigate the greenhouse effect by transitioning to cleaner energy sources, reducing emissions, and protecting our precious planet. As we conclude our exploration of the greenhouse effect, we're reminded that the choices we make today shape the climate of tomorrow. Like and subscribe to our channel for more vital science episodes. Until next time, let's work together to ensure a balanced and sustainable future, 1 minute at a time.